All right, what's up, guys? Doing a quick market update. It's been like a basically pinball action the past week or so. Um, Started out with, I think is a negative, negative drop, red action, losses 3 days in a row. Today, the market actually bounced about 8% up, or at least the S&P 500 is up 8% today. Reaction to Trump stopping most of the tariffs, or most of the reciprocal tariffs, and he states that he's going to keep the tariffs about 10% for most countries. He is still, I think he actually might have increased the tariffs for China up to 125%. But the markets seem okay with that. They're spiking up 8% today, so pretty good bounce. Whether it stays, the market stays up or keeps on going up, that's another story. One day bounce doesn't really mean too much. So we'll kind of see, it's what, hump day today, so it's Wednesday. We have 2 more days of market action, and see if those are positive or negative. So we'll kind of better know if this is a long-term thing or just kind of reaction to Trump's emotions, and maybe he'll change his mind again. There's you can kind of read up yourself. There's some articles I read that maybe there's probably some insider trading as well within Trump's cabinet, or within his circle, because they kind of knew what the agenda was for these sudden tariffs and reversals of tariffs. So we'll see if there's any more information about that. Yeah, so hopefully the market will be green from here on out. But the fact that he still hasn't relented on China tariffs, who knows? Might still be some choppy action for the next month or so, I would guess, but we'll see. It's kind of up and down, up one day, down the next day, so we'll kind of see what happens. So just a quick note, with all this volatility, another good reason not to kind of do any day trading. Don't buy and sell based on emotion. Again, I can't give financial advice, but for myself, I hold all my assets long term being at least a year or more. The safest thing to do is to kind of DCA, or dollar cost average, into any ETF or stock that you would like to own, because we really don't know what's gonna the past week has proven really don't know what's gonna happen next. One day up, one day down. You're gonna lose money if you try to jump in and out of stuff based on what your guess is that the next day is gonna hold. None of us really know, can time the market. None of us know what the market will hold tomorrow in the future, unless you're unless you work for Trump, maybe. But definitely don't sell when you're panicking. Don't buy when you have FOMO. Don't buy when the market's at the top. I think for now, keep on dollar cost averaging, and then if there's big drops in the market, up to you, do your own research. But if the market's down, big drops, or down 20%, who knows? I doubt it'll hit 30%, minus 30%, since Trump has kind of backed off on the tariffs. But who knows? Something else might happen that affects the market as well. But I think buying on the dips is fine as long as you hold long term. But definitely don't try to jump in and out of the market. Is when most people are going to lose money. Keep in mind that even professional traders, holding long-term S&P 500 ETF usually beats professional traders 80% of the time. So, I know everybody thinks they're a great stock trader, and they're the one that's going to beat everybody and make millions of dollars, but that's usually not the case. Again, I'm just doing some market updates to keep everybody apprised, but definitely do your own research before you put your own money in there and buy anything. Okay, but we'll see how the market goes the rest of this week. I'm excited.